Okay, here it is in a nutshell. So basically, we're using SPY, we're using 3 minutes, and we only look for the windows of, say, 9:37 to about 11:21. So basically 20 to 10 and 11:20. Okay, so for example, I'm using the 3 minutes, right? So for example, here it opened up. They thought there was going to be a recovery, but usually after around 9:40, whoever is in charge takes over. So you can see right here, all of a sudden there's a red spike, and that's your in, and you ride that down until you get green or spike. And I've back tested this, and it does pretty good. And what I do is I use not the same day, but the next expiration date, okay? And I go all the way out to about 30-40 cents, okay? And I got just preset it to a plus gain of like 25%. And this adds up. You know, you keep doing 25% like 2-3 times a week compounding. You first start at like let's see, let's go Robinhood here. Screw Robinhood. Anyway, you go to about 30 or 40 cents, and then it just compounds until basically you're able to come up to about $1.50, and just 25% a day. So once again, when a spike changes after 9:40 all the way to 11:20, you ignore them outside that window. So let's go back and see what happened with this with other days. So you can see that worked Friday real good. And let's see, 19. Okay, computer's working a little slow right now, which is a pain in the ass. Okay, I'm not dealing with this. Okay, I could sit here for like 2 days trying to get this to scroll. All right, here we go. Now right here, the day before, nothing happened in between. You know, open down, nothing happened. No new change between 9:40 and 11:20. So we do nothing that day. So let's see. And you also got to look at your ADX and make sure you want to get in. You only get in when your ADX is under 20. So let's see right here. This is 9:39, which is close enough. But unfortunately, the ADX was over 20, so we do nothing. Now right here, this is a new spike that happens within that window at 10:27. Let's see, our ADX, ding, under 20, so it's an in. So we get in, and we ride it all the way up. It's only about a buck difference, and then you get the red spike, you get out. So you almost came out just a little bit over, a little bit even on that one. And let's see. And you have to monitor it, you know what I mean? If you don't get your 25%, you're going to have to get out, or else it could have dropped. But as you can see here, you would have gotten your 25% because someone up at the very end of the day. But that's not what you want to look. You want to stay looking at it. So day before, between 9:40 and 11, nothing. All right, let's go back here. So day before that. Day before that. It's too late. 11 something. And that is the day before that. So let's see. 11:30, that's outside the window. 10:33. 9:09, that's outside the window. 10:33 is inside the window, and it's good. It's below the 20 ADX. You get in at about 30 or 40 cents. Expires the day after. You want it to expire not the current day, but anything after the current day. Right here, you would have gotten your 25%. And this keeps happening over and over again between those two time periods. Let's look at this one the day before that. Is this within our time period? 11:27? No. And now that it's outside the up above 20 ADX. And let's go to the day before that. And that's outside of our window. That's outside of our window. Day before that. Let's see. Outside our window. 10:54 is good, but it's above the 20 mark. Just above. As far as I can tell, yeah. Let's look at the day before. We also don't enter in on flat tracer lines, so whereas this was inside the window, the tracer line's flat, so we don't do anything. That's from the CM indicator, I believe. And yeah, all my indicators are over here. So anyway, I just want to tell you what I'm doing between 9:40 and 11:20. If I get a correct indicator, I'll jump in and set it for 25%. If you want to know what indicators, again, I'm using what my suite is here. Let's see. I think it's a CM Ultimate. No, I think it's a Super Trend. Yeah, those spikes with the tracers are Super Trend. And, you know, if it's a flat tracer, I never get in, especially if it's red. But yeah, it was under 20, but it was a flat tracer, which means nothing. So let's look at the day before. So you have to filter out crap signals. 12 o'clock, nope. Okay. Over here. Here's one. Okay. 10:51, that's within our window. It's just below the 20, so we get in and set it for 25%. And see, 420, 415, yeah, we would have gotten that, especially on these last spikes here. Let's see, day before. 1106, way above the 20. Anyway, that's what I'm doing, dude. This signal happens about 3 times a week. Unfortunately, you have to be watching it pretty much live. But that's what I'm up to. What have you been up to? Alright, talk to you later.